Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect custom domain to Replit. So first, deploy your project on Replit. In Replit, open a project and go to the Deployments tab. Now, deploy your project to generate a live URL and unlock a custom domain option. Then, the second step will be to add your custom domain in Replit. So in the deployment dashboard, look for the custom domain option, enter your domain name, that is, for example, yoursite.com, and Replit will provide you with two DNS records, a record and txt record. So a record will be for an IP address to point your root domain, and the txt record will be a code for domain verification. You'll have to move on to the third step, that is configuring DNS records with your registrar. So log into your domain registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, etc. Then open the DNS settings for your domain and add the a record and the value. Then add the txt record and the value. Then, the fourth step will be verification and activation. So you'll have to basically save the DNS record changes and wait for propagation. That is typically for a few minutes or up to 48 hours. Then, go back to Replit and click verify link that will be just on this page. Once verified, your Replit app will be accessible via a custom domain with SSL enabled. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.